Suny Group is a trailblazer in the innovation of solid waste recycling and processing equipment manufacturing. On the path of environmental protection, we continuously advance, focusing on solid waste recycling and comprehensive utilization, meticulously crafting recycling equipment to drive the green circular economy. Suny Group is a professional enterprise specializing in the production of environmentally friendly equipment for recycling renewable resources. We provide various automated production lines for solid waste sorting and recycling to environmental recycling enterprises, with customized research and development capabilities acknowledged by our clients. Our enterprise concentrates on the production and sales of environmental equipment for recycling waste lithium batteries, photovoltaic panels, electronic waste, tires, aluminum plastic, and both metallic and non-metallic scrap materials. We continually improve and optimize existing products and develop new generations of solid waste processing equipment to meet current and future customer needs, ensuring the reliability and cost-effectiveness of our solid waste processing equipment during long-term use. Our product range covers a series of advanced processing equipment production lines, with each stage meticulously designed and rigorously tested. We continuously learn from advanced domestic and international technologies and processes, integrating customer feedback to innovate and upgrade, keeping our product quality, production processes, and technological standards at the forefront of the industry. Additionally, we are committed to providing customers with diverse and customized production lines to handle various types of solid waste and achieve effective resource reuse. For instance, our lithium battery pyrolysis recycling production line operates as follows. Discharged lithium batteries are conveyed to shredding equipment for shredding, then proceed to a pyrolysis furnace for further decomposition. The materials post-pyrolysis are fed into a shell separator to separate the casing. Other materials go into a screening system where carbon black is sifted and then crushed before re-entering the screening system. Finally, they undergo fine sorting via a circular vibrating screen to separate copper-aluminum mixtures and carbon black. The carbon black is collected using a centralized collection device, while the copper-aluminum mixture is separated using an air classifier. In the physical method lithium battery recycling production line, lithium batteries undergo shredding and crushing to separate the casing and separator. Subsequently, they enter a screening system to separate carbon black. Other materials proceed to secondary crushing equipment for further grinding, followed by re-entry into the screening system for carbon black separation. The separated carbon black is recovered and then undergoes a third round of grinding before final fine sorting using a circular vibrating screen to separate copper-aluminum mixtures from carbon black. Solar photovoltaic panel recycling production line. The first step in recycling waste solar panels involves removing the junction box. Next, the panels pass through a frame dismantling machine to remove the aluminum frame, then they are conveyed to a glass separator to separate the glass. Subsequently, the backsheet adhesive is removed, and the panels are crushed into small pieces by a crusher before entering a grinding and screening system for separation. They then move to the next screening system where copper is separated. The remaining materials enter an electrostatic separation device to separate trace metals and plastics. Solar photovoltaic module pyrolysis recycling production line. Similarly, the first steps involve removing the junction box and dismantling the aluminum frame using a frame dismantling machine. Next, the panels are conveyed to a decomposition furnace for heating. After separation in the furnace, the mixture of glass, crystalline silicon cells, and copper tin strips is subjected to multiple separation systems to separate the crystalline silicon cells, copper strips, and glass. The crystalline silicon cells then undergo a silver recovery process using a silver extraction system. Additionally, the junction boxes obtained in the first process can be further processed to obtain copper granules and plastics through a dedicated separation system. Waste circuit board recycling production line. This production line is designed to handle waste circuit boards, copper-clad boards, integrated circuit boards, and circuit board edge materials by dismantling and crushing them for recycling. The process involves separating copper and resin powder, achieving comprehensive environmental utilization with a processing capacity of 500 to 1,000 kilograms per hour. Continuous can-to-painting furnace. This furnace is used to remove paint, grease, and other impurities from various items such as cans, aluminum profiles, and honeycomb aluminum surfaces. It enables continuous depainting through intelligent control and features a carbonization furnace with low oxidation rates and durability. The equipment has a processing capacity of 0.5 to 3 tons per hour. Tire rubber granules production line. This production line processes waste tires through shredding and crushing processes to produce rubber granules ranging from 1 mm to 30 mm with steel wire separation. The equipment has a processing capacity of 1 to 20 tons per hour. Tire rubber powder production line. This production line processes waste tires through shredding, grinding, and other processes to obtain rubber powder ranging from 10 to 40 mesh, 0.4 mm to 2 mm, with steel wire separation. The equipment has a processing capacity of 1 to 3 tons per hour. Scrap cable recycling production line. This production line is widely used for processing various types of scrap cables, including communication cables, automotive dismantling wires, household appliance wires, and computer wires. It separates clean plastic and copper granules with a processing capacity of 500 to 1,000 kilograms per hour. Scrap aluminum plastic recycling production line. This production line is designed to sort and separate waste aluminum plastic composite materials, including aluminum plastic panels, pipes, pharmaceutical boards, film composite materials, and aluminum foil packaging materials. It has a processing capacity of 500 to 1,000 kilograms per hour. Our customer's satisfaction is our proof of success. Suny Group, rooted in China and serving clients worldwide, has provided solid waste environmental equipment and technical support to over 140 countries and regions. We have generated substantial economic and environmental benefits for our clients. Our patents and honors stand as a testament to our dedication. Over the years, we have continuously pursued technological innovation and excellence, resulting in numerous patents and accolades. Being recognized with titles such as High-Tech Enterprise, Patents, and Innovations not only affirm our efforts but also inspire us to keep moving forward. At this exhibition, Suny Group will showcase our latest technologies and products and engage with you in discussions about the future of solid waste utilization. Let us join hands and work together to create a better tomorrow for our planet.